is good. Let me tell you your future.
Hi there, my lovely Sagittarius. On Monday, if you're trying to get people to join you in an adventure or challenge, you shouldn't underestimate the power of suggestion. People want to be a part of something positive and exciting, so if you can make them think that what you've got going on is special, and it definitely is, then you can pretty much call all the shots. Be confident. Instead of asking people to come along, let them know that they'd be lucky to join you. On Tuesday, the day starts with never ending activities. There will be meetings, travel, journeys, and attending guests. This will give you no time for yourself. You are working really hard and rough. There are chances to get bruises, or you may hurt yourself, or your vehicle is unsafe for driving. Stay focused while you drive and use all safety measures to avoid any unpleasant situation. On Wednesday, you feel at ease at workplace as things are going in your favor. Great things come in small packages, and this is what is going to happen with you. Agro, horticulture, land, property, etc. business will be profitable. If you are in a job, you are likely to get promotion or due arrears today. There will be new opportunities in job, and those who are unemployed will get that job in their desired field. There will be reasons to celebrate, and you will feel a satisfaction on the career front. On Thursday, you are not having a clear picture of your would-be spouse and in double mind to take any firm decision in making any type of relation, whether love or friendship. It is quite possible that your partner in love will make you hang in between some challenging situations and give you excuses of not accepting your relationships by parents. There will be confusing state of mind which will lead you nowhere. Better not to take tension. True love does not need any confirmation. On Friday, you'll start with some lifestyle activity. A romantic outing and a tasty meal will be the ticket. Sexual pleasure under the sensual moon will have the windows steamed up. As Mercury swings into moody sign, your opposite sign opposing forces bruises your ego as ideas and opinions that are incompatible with your own emerge. They are less than sympathetic with the type of image you like to project or the personal influence you want to exert. If you are unable to find an agreeable or productive way to work with certain people, be content to work quietly on your own. Keep a weather eye on the finance under the moon. Not only will you need to sort immediate concerns, but also you will be heading into a new cycle or a changing situation with your work. You'll get a score on the board for organization and efficiency. Romantic connections are more intense and joint ventures are supported. Pleasures are bound to be more deeply felt. If there are no obvious impediments to prevent you, this is a good time to ask for loans or favors as well as to collect those you owed. Today's day promises some major developments, and you'll delight in romantic intrigue, unconventional creative projects, and combined with pleasurable things to do. Explore some of life's mystery. Secrets may come out in the nicest possible way. On Saturday, food. That's the way for you to indulge in something special at home or out on the cuisine trail. Other than that, business concerns may take a little extra time or create testing negotiations. Ideas and discussions are likely to concern lawyers and legal matters, debates, contract negotiations, partnership or other alliances and joint ventures of any kind. There is increased potential under this influence for meeting with various consultants and for sharing spontaneous conversations with retail clerks, bank tellers, those waiting in the line with you at the supermarket, and other people you happen to meet. You'll find someone sweet. You may come up against a critical or rule bound authority under the moon. Stick to the regulations and get the sums right. You'll find that your love will be right there with you to put in the effort that supports you. That mood will flow into the weekend for you, and sweet harmony with your love will lead to all sorts of places. On Sunday, you've managed to throw off an emotional burden you've been carrying around, and as the day begins, you feel yourself to be at peace. However, the universe is throwing you yet another lesson right on the heels of the last one. The lesson is around letting go of relational attachments that have a habit of bringing in negative experiences. You don't need to have that in your life. Real inner peace will come with stopping trying to change what is negative. Just refuse to have it in your life. Finance shows Two of Swords. This card says that you risk going into stress and anxiety over your financial position during a period of change. Now buck up. That fear is not necessary. There's a fine harvest for you to tap into. The only thing stopping that manifestation is your indulgence in fear and stress. Be strong in your trust that you are being guided to your better good.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.